Hey girl, hey, it's your girl T Lachey. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first lifestyle vlog video. It's September the 1st. It's the last quarter of 2025 and it's time to lock the fuck in. It's Labor Day weekend and we are cooking early so we can relax tomorrow so we can enjoy the day off. Why did I not know that Kroger had fragrance? Only this is $4.99. This is $3.99. I might have to start eating these. Okay, I took a little break and I need some coffee, so we're about to go to my favorite spot, 7 Brews. Looks so good. We are running to the hair store really quick. I took my hair down yesterday. I forgot to show y'all, but I got glue still left in my hair, so we're about to run to the hair store to get something to get this out of my locks. Okay, y'all, I realized I didn't make a outro video when I was editing this, so thank y'all for watching my first mini vlog. See y'all in the next one. Love you, bye.